Emotional arrival in Qatar, a surprise for mom at the airport. Hey there everyone, it's me again, Ruchel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm so excited to share a truly heartwarming moment. Our arrival in Qatar on June 5th, 2025. And a beautiful surprise that made it even more special. After a long flight, we finally landed safely in Qatar. The airport was busy, and Mom thought we were just going to grab our luggage and head straight out. She had no idea what was waiting for her on the other side. As we walked out of the arrival area, my sister and my son were there, waiting quietly with big smiles and full hearts. The moment Mom saw them, she was completely surprised. You could see the shock and joy in her eyes instantly. She wasn't expecting to see them so soon. And the reunion turned into an emotional hug fest right in the airport. Seeing the happiness on my mom's face made all the travel worth it. It reminded me that sometimes it's the little surprises, the thoughtful gestures that create the most unforgettable memories. This video captures that exact moment. And honestly, it's one of those memories we'll all cherish forever. Thank you so much for being here and watching this special moment with us. Your love and support means so much. If this video made you smile, or maybe even tear up a little, don't forget to like and comment. And follow for more real-life family stories, reunions, and everyday memories that touch the heart. Until next time, stay sweet and stay kind. And always celebrate the moments that truly matter. See you in the next video.
Yan na nga lang.
Yami, huwag kayo ako dito, Mi. Baka ka sa skandal dito. Sa public.
Hindi ko nakilala.
Yami, huwag kayo ako dito, Mi. Baka ka sa skandal dito. Sa public. Hello mo ba? Okay lang po. Oh, wala naman. Malamig sa kwarto dyan.
Welcome to Doha. Mother, welcome to Doha.
Welcome. Ito yung higaan ni Mama. Uy, meron pa pala. What's that? Oh my God, may surprise ka pa pala. Wow. Welcome to Qatar.
Wow naman. Happy birthday. Happy birthday ka pala, Chiche.
Oh, may pambol pa. Oh, yan, isa pa.
Yan, no?
Naka-printed pa yan, ha? Saan mo?
I-ano natin? My day.
Bubuksan mo na ba yan? I-my day mo, ipilicture natin yung mga flowers mo. Tsaka. Diyan pa hawak mo yan.
Thank you very much, Nana.
Okay.
Flowers. You're welcome.
Isa mo, isa.
Chocolate, kilay, and pahabol. Happy birthday. Thank you very much. I will open it. What is this? Oh my God. It's $1.
300.
300 ako. Katangin. Si Mami, sana all.
Chocolate yan.
Tingnan natin ito. Meron na ganun. Bunting din. Your journey brought you here, but our hearts have been waiting. We're so happy to have you in this beautiful city, full of love, memories, and new adventures together. Wow.
Ang ganda mga message. Kanino galing? Walang nakalagay kung kanino.
Ano nakalagay?
Baka meron yan sa heart.
Wala na.
Kanino to galing? Ha? Siyempre ano? Sa'yo pa? Sabi mong padala.
Oh, grabe. Ika.
Hindi ka mapadaog kay Buboy ang ngayon. Gusto mo daogin si Buboy. Meron mo na. Hindi pa tapos. Wow! Oh, ang ganda. MK yan. Ay, hindi.
JTS.
Ha? John Louis pala daw.
John
Oh. John Louis. Wow, ganyan naman.
Luis.
Ganyan naman ang bag mo. Tamang-tama. Palitan na yung isa nasira, yung zipper. Yung Dior. Oh, mayroon ka na ulit pang lakad.
May panglakad din.
Mm.
Thank you.
Yay!
Yes, thank you. Meron naman akong bago.
Welcome bag yan.